Hi there. We are making Tehri, a winter special recipe from Uttar Pradesh. It's the best one pot rice and veggies meal for a cold day. You'll be able to include a lot of veggies in it without anyone noticing. A perfect gluten free treat for all. Subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes and help my channel grow. 1.5 cups of basmati rice. Wash it 3 times and then drain it and let it dry. Keep this aside. For the powdered spices, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, cumin powder 1.5 teaspoons, chaat masala powder 2 teaspoons, haldi powder 1.5 teaspoons, garam masala powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder half to 3/4 teaspoons, asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. I'll heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil to smoking hot and then just reduce the heat. This is the tempering: a bay leaf, sticks of cinnamon, 1 large cardamom, the black one, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 to 4 green cardamom, and peppercorns, about 8 to 10 of them. Temper the oil. And once the oil becomes nice and fragrant, a thinly sliced onion goes in. Cook till the onions get a light color on them. Chop green chilies according to taste. 1 medium-sized potato sliced. 1 or 2 carrots. About 8 to 10 florets of cauliflower and some French beans. And just cook the veggies for about 2 minutes, stirring on medium to high heat. Add in fresh peas, about a cup of it, and a medium-sized tomato chopped up. Give it a mix. And add a teaspoon of grated garlic, a teaspoon of grated ginger. Add in the powdered spices. Keep the heat on medium and cook for a minute. That smells amazing. If only you could smell it. And now I'll season it with salt. Toss this one more time. Add in the rice that has been washed and drained. So keep the heat at low and just mix the rice gently for a minute or two so that everything is combined. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Pour in hot water, about 3 cups. Just bring that to a boil. Raise the heat to high. Add in a bit of black salt. That really makes a lot of difference. And also adjust the salt for the rice. I'll just let that boil for a few minutes till the water is reduced slightly. So once the rice looks like this, lower the heat, cover and cook for 7 minutes before checking. Checking after 7 minutes. Mix lightly. It's almost done. Add in some whole green chilies. You could slit them if you want. Cover, turn off the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes. Checking after 10 minutes. That looks perfect. I'll just gently fluff up the rice. Smells good. Finish it off with chopped coriander. Serve the tehri hot with some papad, salad, dahi and pickle. Enjoy!